Welcome to Coonganimals. Dive into the wild world of amazing creatures with us.
In our previous video, we explored the incredible animals of rivers, lakes, and wetlands, from crocodiles and otters to flocks of ducks, all working quietly yet powerfully to combat climate change in their own unique ways. Today, we're continuing our journey into another equally important ecosystem, the tropical rainforest. Here, animals like elephants, monkeys, and pangolins don't just live, they play a crucial role in protecting our planet. Let's dive in and discover how they contribute to the fight against climate change. Not just the trees, but the animals that eat fruit are the unsung gardeners of the rainforest. When they eat fruits, they carry seeds far away, either through their droppings or by scattering them along their journey. These seeds, once spread, continue their growth cycle, helping trees to regenerate, turning forests into natural carbon sinks, which hold CO2 for our planet. It's amazing to think that, with every bite of fruit, these animals are silently playing their part in the fight against climate change. The toucan, with its brightly colored beak, isn't just a striking figure in the rainforest, it's also a true explorer. As it flies through the forest, it carries seeds in its digestive tract, dispersing them in places that are difficult to reach. These areas, where sunlight can penetrate, are the ideal environments for young trees to thrive. You may not realize it, but each flight of the toucan is more than just a beautiful sight in the sky, it's essential for the survival of the rainforest. Monkeys, like spider monkeys, are nature's expert transporters in the rainforest. As they move through the forest's layers, they unintentionally drop seeds after each meal. These seeds, carried to different regions, help the ecosystem regenerate and protect the environment. These trees not only provide shelter for countless animal species, but they also act as a natural defense against carbon dioxide. Every seed they carry is another step in reducing the impact of climate change. Seed dispersal doesn't just preserve the forest's life cycle. It also contributes to the forest's ability to absorb carbon. Larger trees, thanks to the help of animals, can absorb 5 to 10 times more carbon than smaller trees. In this way, rainforests are not only biodiversity hotspots but also vital players in the fight against climate change. Without animals helping to spread seeds, rainforests would not be able to perform this crucial role in protecting the planet. In the rainforest, everything has a purpose. Predatory animals not only hunt to survive, but they also help maintain the balance of the food chain. When jaguars hunt deer or eagles catch prey, they reduce the number of herbivores, ensuring that plant-eating animals don't overconsume vegetation. This balance is crucial to prevent the destruction of young trees and plants, allowing them to grow and absorb more carbon, which helps fight climate change. Jaguars, with their powerful presence, play a critical role in protecting the forest's trees. By hunting deer, they control herbivore populations, preventing them from devouring too many saplings. Without the jaguar, deer populations would skyrocket, making it nearly impossible for young trees to grow. In this way, the jaguar helps safeguard the forest, ensuring that it can continue to absorb carbon and serve as a natural defense against climate change. Predatory birds like eagles and owls aren't just formidable hunters. They're silent protectors of the rainforest. These birds help keep the populations of smaller animals in check, preventing herbivores from damaging vegetation. With fewer herbivores to feed on plants, trees are able to thrive, contributing to the forest's ability to absorb carbon. When the forest thrives, it helps reduce CO2 levels, playing a key role in the fight against climate change. Tropical rainforests are not just homes for thousands of species. They are complex ecosystems where every animal plays a vital role. If this food chain is disrupted, the forest loses its ability to regulate itself, which has a direct impact on carbon absorption. A study in South America found that without top predators, the forest's ability to absorb CO2 could drop by up to 15%. This is a significant number, showing just how crucial every animal is in the battle against climate change. Large animals like elephants don't just silently move through the forest, each step they take leaves a profound mark. When elephants dig and move the earth, they open up spaces for new trees to grow. What's more, their dung enriches the soil, providing essential nutrients that help the forest flourish. Each step of an elephant is an invisible yet vital contribution to maintaining life in the heart of the rainforest. The anteater, a tiny but diligent land engineer, unknowingly leaves its mark in every corner of the forest. While searching for ants and termites deep underground, they dig and aerate the soil. Thanks to the anteater's burrowing, buried seeds now have access to air and water, enabling them to sprout and grow into young trees. This is a beautiful ecological cycle, where these small creatures make the soil fertile, restoring life to the forest. Elephant, monkey, and bird droppings are not just natural waste products. They are valuable sources of nutrition for the soil. The nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus in animal feces create a rich humus layer, which helps trees grow strong, develop rapidly, and absorb carbon more effectively. Animal dung, though humble, plays an essential role in the regeneration of the rainforest and combating climate change. Tropical forests are not just homes to millions of creatures. They play a critical role in regulating the global climate. Thanks to the natural interventions of animals, the soil in these forests is constantly enriched, enhancing its carbon absorption capacity. Imagine, each year, the actions of elephants alone can increase the carbon absorption efficiency of the forest by 10%. Every elephant step is another chance for the world to reduce the risks of climate change. Scenes of destruction in tropical forests are becoming increasingly evident. Forests are ruthlessly cut down, and animals are hunted without mercy, pushing many species to the brink of extinction. As these creatures, the silent guardians of the forest, disappear, they can no longer fulfill their crucial role. This loss is not just the disappearance of one species but the weakening of an entire ecosystem. Losing animals, especially the gardeners of the forest, disrupts the entire ecosystem. Without animals to disperse seeds, the soil becomes barren, and the forest cannot regenerate. The result is a significant loss of biodiversity and a reduced ability to absorb carbon, which directly impacts our environment. This loss can alter the very course of life on Earth. Real-world research has shown the stark truth. In the Amazon, the loss of jaguars has dramatically reduced the carbon-absorbing capacity of trees. The absence of just one animal can trigger a domino effect, destabilizing the entire ecosystem and disrupting the carbon cycles in the forest. A strong forest ecosystem relies on every single creature within it, and when one link is lost, everything can crumble. We are standing at a crucial crossroads where every action to protect animals can create a positive change. If we do not act today, we will not only lose these valuable species but also lose our opportunity to fight climate change. It's time to take a stand and protect not just the animals, but the future of our planet. The animals of the tropical rainforest truly are silent heroes, constantly supporting the ecosystem and helping us tackle climate change. What do you think about their role? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. And if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the message about protecting animals and our environment. We can make a difference, but only if we all act together. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video from Animal Cone.